What's up, guys? It's Josh from Blackout Tinting. It's Cinco de Mayo, so Luke has tacos. Luke has tacos every day, so it really doesn't make a difference. We're going to show you what's in the shop today. We're going to start with this big, beautiful beast. This is a Rolls-Royce Dawn, and this car is a unique situation. So it came in with a full wrap on it with paint protection film. We did not install that wrap, but somebody did. It's a little bit older, and the wrap is all scratched up and messed up, and we're going to make a video on this. Basically, it was supposed to be here for ceramic coating. Now, we need to remove all of the film that's on there, polish the paint, and ceramic coat it afterwards. So that's what Blake is working on right now. He's using a steamer to remove the paint, not remove the paint, to remove the film, to not remove paint. That's why he uses a steamer. Over here in the detail bay, Sam is working on a seasonal detail package on a Ford Explorer. That's a full interior and exterior. Patrick has a Hellcat Durango in the wash bay right now. This one got paint protection on the whole front end as well as a wear and tear package. It got the headlights and the taillights tinted, it got the windows tinted, and now it's getting a ceramic coating. So that's last on the list for this car. Blake is waiting for steam. Over here's a Grand Cherokee. It is curing. Something happened with the car. It was at a body shop or something, and somebody buffed something, so basically we had to re-ceramic coat a couple of panels. And Jimmy is working on a big black truck, as always it seems like, doing a Ceramic Pro gold package, right? Yep. 5 layers of ceramic on that one. It's getting the final top coat now. Renee and Aaron and me, we're working on a full stealth wrap on an E63S. This will also have a full video on it. This is a factory satin finish paint job, so it's really super important to get it protected with Expel. This one needed done real quick for the dealership, so it's leaving today. This Harley Davidson was here for an annual inspection. It's ready to go home as well. And Terrell's got a bunch of tint jobs. This one is a transit van. We're doing the front 2 windows. No visor? Yeah. There is a visor. Yeah. Oh. All right, so outside we've got a Buick Regal Gs. This is the, I think they call it the Sportback. It's sort of like an RS7. The back actually opens up. It's kind of cool. It's the first one we've seen like that. That one got window tint, and it's ready to go home. This Cadillac XT5, we actually have 2 of these on the schedule today. This one got tinted this morning, and more tint. Toyota Tacoma. This one got done this morning as well. We've got a Z06 down here. This is here for a quick cleanup. We see this car every couple months or so to clean it up. And this Grand Cherokee got paint protection film installed on the front bumper and the lower accent piece of the bumper there. Justin's truck from Horsepower Obsessed, I think you guys have seen this a couple weeks now. It got a full paint protection film wrap. It is done, ready to go home. Justin's coming to get that tomorrow. And a Toyota Tundra. This one got a paint correction. Unfortunately, we had to come outside, and it's always raining here, so we're going to have to give that one quick wash before it goes home. This car's been outside for a couple of hours. For whatever reason this year, birds are making nests on tires here. It's very strange. We've got a Jaguar. This one had paint protection film installed on the front end, and you can see it on the front bumper. For some reason, it was peeling. It doesn't happen often, but it was peeling down in the corner of the bumper. So we're obviously going to take care of that for the customer. Don't really know what happened. I think we installed it like 2 years ago. We've got a Dodge Ram. This one was on our tint schedule for this afternoon. We got it done early. This is the E-Torque. It's like a hybrid Hemi thing. And a Roush Mustang. This one got, I believe, a full paint protection film wrap like a year or 2 ago. It's back for an annual inspection because it had a ceramic coating on top as well. So then we've got an Audi R8. This one was here for paint protection on the whole front end for our good friend Tony. And we're going to be tinting the windows on that this afternoon, and then it is going home today as well. That's it for what's going on in the shop this week, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that, and we will see you next week.